Hello, beautiful bird. You're singing for me. Isn't that nice? What's new?
Asking about the weather.
What's the weather like up here? Do you expect it to get hotter? Eh? Oh, I see. That doesn't sound like the news report we got on TV. I guess you'd know better, though, wouldn't you? Here's a picture of Larry lying down, of course, driving these crazy roads. It gets pretty tiring, you know. Is that so? I thought so too. Do you think we should go into Mackenzie Falls? Okay, if you say so. Larry's laughing at me. Hey. Hey, just call me the bird whisperer. We don't know what this bird is, but he's kind of cute. What's that? You have a beautiful song, you know. Oh, yes. You're very modest. We had a cockatiel here, too. Oh, you're really verbal now.
Okay, Beth, that's enough.
Okay, but I want a picture of a cockatiel.